To hide your photos and files on Realme Note 60, first we'll need to launch our settings. Then scroll down and select Special Features. Scroll down again and look for Private Save right there. Click on it and then you will need to unlock your phone. If you don't have a lock screen set up, it will ask you to set up the lock screen option. And when we're finally in the private save, you can select the file type that you want to hide. In this case, I'm going to go for images. Then we can click on this plus button and hide any amount of photos that we like and set them on private. As you can see, they are added right here to that folder and we can access them anytime right here in the private save. And instead, if we go for our gallery, even through the camera, those photos are not available. And we can also try to do it through the gallery on the phone. They are gone.